Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to access your optional book studies. Again, these are optional. You can do them if you have time. I went ahead and assigned you a different book. So some of you will be reading The Chocolate Touch and some of you will be reading Mr. Popper's Penguins. On the feed, I've went ahead and already posted how to access these books. Both of these books will be accessed through Epic Books. So for instance, I'm going to touch The Chocolate Touch right now. It'll say to access the book, go to getepic.com. You're going to log in as a student. Here is our student code, SUQ8311. You're going to select your name and search for the book, The Chocolate Touch. So again, you will go to getepic.com. Let's see if I'll pull it up. Awesome. You're going to log in as a student. So go to students and then enter your class code. We go back here. The class code was SUQ8311. SUQ8311. Go. You're going to go to select the class, which is Mrs. Pruitt's class, and then you're going to find your name and click on it, and then you'll be logged in. Okay, so depending on the book, will be your classwork. So for instance, if I'm reading The Chocolate Touch, you are going to have daily, or not really daily, but chapter quizzes. So for instance, your very first quiz will be on chapters 1 and 2. If you're reading The Chocolate Touch, it'll be a Google form for you. And then during or even after you've read the book, there are some Google slides that you can fill out. Make sure you read all the directions though on how to fill those out. So for both The Chocolate Touch and Mr. Popper's Penguins, both of them look very similar. They have chapter quizzes and then the reading and response slides right there. If you have any questions on how to access any of these books or the assignments, please let me know either through email or Class Dojo. Bye guys.